Get ready with me to talk about the elephant in the room.
A certain incident, okay? But before I do that, I'm gonna ask you to turn around, okay? Put your hands behind your back, okay?
Okay,
On November 20th, 2024, things at Target in Cape Coral went from normal retail grind to full-on viral level chaos. Except nobody wanted fame for this. 22-year-old Marina Vowles, a mom and wannabe TikTok influencer, allegedly walked out with $500 and 32 cents worth of merchandise. But here's the kicker. She filmed the whole thing in a day in the life as a mom TikTok, loading her car with stolen Target goodies like it was just another vlog. Basically, Marina turned herself in before cops even got there.
Hello? This is Officer Aldemoy with the Cape Coral Police Department.
hello. Yeah, sorry, I'm just at work. Let me step outside real quick.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, yeah, I was calling because I saw the post that was made on the Instagram. I used to go to school with this girl, and it kind of looks like her. I mean, I don't talk to her anymore, but I still follow her on social medias, but it looks just like her.
Okay.
Her name is Marlena Velez.
You don't happen to have a phone number or anything like that for her, right?
I only have her Instagram and, like, her TikTok, but that's about it.
Do you
We
happen
went to school together, but not anymore.
Okay, how long ago was that?
I want to say maybe 2014, 13. Like, it was forever ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I still have her on social media and stuff like that.
Do you have her social media handle by chance?
Yes, so Instagram is just her whole name all together. And then I believe her TikTok is the same exact thing. Let me just double check. Yeah, so her TikTok, it would be the same thing, Marlena Velez, but then with 2 Z's at the end.
Okay.
And I think she's public too.
Oh, that works. I'll take a look. Do you know if Marlena has any children?
Yes, she has 2 kids. They're little.
Okay. Is this something that you wanted to stay anonymous for, or are you willing to?
It could be, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I do appreciate the information. If I do have any additional questions, I'll just give you a call. If you don't answer, I'll just leave a voicemail. But I do appreciate all that information.
The cops didn't need a magic lead. They just used the digital receipts she left behind. An ex-friend still following Marina online confirmed her accounts and even mentioned she had 2 little kids. That tip, combined with Target's CCTV footage, gave officers the full picture. Talk about karma. Her social media stunt became her own arrest video.
Hey, just run this tag real quick when you come up.
79 Alpha Sierra Lima Whiskey Kia Sorrento gray color probably.
Cape Coral Police. Let's see if she's available to talk to us real quick. Hello, Cape Coral Police. I'm Marlena. Do you have a second?
Yes. Can I just put a jacket on?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Okay.
She answered the door. She's just getting a jacket.
She knows what's up?
No, I mean, no.
Go get a jacket to him as soon as she comes out.
As soon as she comes out. Hi. Are you able to talk? Are you the only one home? Or?
My kids are home.
Okay. Is anybody else home?
No, it's just my kids.
Okay. Do you mind if you talk to us real quick?
Sure.
So I want to talk to you about a certain incident, okay? But before I do that, I'm going to ask you to turn around, okay? Put your hands behind your back, okay?
When officers showed up at her house, reality hit. Marina opened the door while her kids were asleep, fumbling for a jacket and worried about who would watch them. The cops stayed calm, read her rights, and cuffed her. Her story kept shifting, first thinking it was about Walmart, then straight up claiming she didn't remember the October thefts.
What about my kids?
I will figure out an arrangement for your kids.
Can I just call my...
Yeah, you can. You can.
Okay.
So we'll give you that opportunity, alright?
Can I change?
No, not right now.
I'm literally freezing. Like,
I understand
I'm
that.
not allowed to change.
No.
Like, my kids are literally babies.
I understand that. I saw them in the security video footage.
What security video footage?
Okay. I'm gonna bring you to my car, okay?
Wait, is your
Where's
are
your...
kids sleeping? Or?
Yes, they're sleeping.
You need to call your...
Yes, I do.
That's fine. We'll do that for you.
Hello. Can you come to the house now, please? I need you. I need you to stay with the kids because I'm getting arrested right now. I don't know, like, there's something that happened at Walmart, but I need you to come stay with them, please. I don't have anyone else to come. I don't have these parents. The only one I know I can trust is you. And I don't know, but the only person I can call right now is you. Like, alright, don't call anyone else.
We'll wait for her to come here, but we'll We'll walk to my car in the meantime. I'm gonna take a call. Thank you.
How old are your kids?
3 and 1.
I'm gonna stay right here just in case they wake up. He's not leaving until someone else comes, alright?
Okay. Can we like wait inside? I'm cold, or am I
No,
gonna be
you're
in
gonna
the
be
car?
in my car. It'll be warmer in there. You don't have anything on you, right? I know you just woke up, but do you have anything in pockets or anything like that?
No, I wish I would be able to change though.
Okay, we're gonna
Put
go on the
some
other side.
sweatpants.
I'll just stand here, face the car. I'm just gonna pat you down with the back of my hand, alright? Buckle you in.
So Jones got charges as well?
I'm gonna call him, give him the opportunity to, if he has found probable cause, but I don't know if he's found PC for his.
Meanwhile, surveillance showed her scanning items for $1 each using a self-checkout hack, loading them into her cart while her kids sat right there. And get this, it wasn't even a one-time thing. The cops hinted she might have multiple other thefts under investigation, meaning today's misdemeanor could easily turn into felonies later. The TikTok supermom image? Totally blown apart. Behind the cute videos and hashtags, there was a pattern of straight up stealing. The most insane part? Marina didn't freak out like most people would.
I mean, it's a video good on
I
him.
don't know. I don't know what to do. Alright, I'm just gonna read you something, okay? You just listen. If you want to talk to me after, that's fine. You have the right to remain silent. With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know why we're here?
No, I just asked you that earlier.
Okay. I know you had said something, you thought it was something to do with Walmart on the phone. Okay. Why do you think that?
I don't know. He said something about security camera footage.
Okay.
And I remember I was only at Walmart yesterday, so.
Gotcha. Alright, well, do you shop at Target often?
Walmart.
Walmart, not Target?
I do shop at Target.
Okay. Do you remember an incident in October? Okay.
I don't remember the exact dates that I go.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna be real with you, okay? So there's security video footage of you stealing from Target, okay? You go to
October?
yeah. Tell me if it, you know, if I have it wrong or what. You go to a self checkout. You have a separate little barcode scanner. You scan multiple times, it rings up for $1, and then you take the merchandise past the scanner and put everything in a bag. And you do that multiple times to multiple items, and then you put it in the cart that has your 2 kids in it. So I was just wondering kind of what was going through your head at that point.
In October?
Yeah.
Don't remember doing that.
Okay, you don't remember doing that?
No.
Okay. Alright. I mean, that's fine that you don't remember, but it happened. It's on video. That's submitted into our evidence department. Okay. So that's what you're being arrested for, is theft. Alright. So we're gonna head down to the Lee County Jail based off of that. Do you have any questions or do you have any comments?
I do.
Okay, go ahead. I'm here.
I need to call my boyfriend.
Okay.
I just don't have his number, so
Okay. How do we get his number?
it's on my phone.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm bringing your phone to the jail. Once we get to the jail, there's a booking process, so I have to do some paperwork, right? Once I finish my paperwork, I hand you over to the Lee County Sheriff's Office deputies intake. They grab you. They get your phones out, the numbers out of your phone. Okay, so that at that point is when you'll get the number for your boyfriend, and you'll be able to call him once I transfer custody for the jail. Okay.
Okay, and then what after?
That's up to you and the judge. You have to speak to the judge. You might make it in time for first appearance. You might not. That's depending on the whole booking process, okay? But if you do, you might speak to them this morning. Or if not, you'll speak to them tomorrow morning.
Critically, this whole mess shows 2 things. First, oversharing online is dangerous. What seems like casual content can become the smoking gun. Second, the influencer lifestyle isn't as glamorous as it looks. Fans see fun and relatable mom energy. Cops see probable cause and misdemeanor charges. In minutes, Marina's public persona flipped into a criminal case file. As she got taken to Lee County Jail, she was still asking about timelines.
So, like, what does that mean?
What do you mean? You'll be held in the jail until you are able to speak to the judge.
What? Even? Like,
That's what happens when you steal. You know what I mean?
There might be a second appearance at 11, but I'm not sure. Yeah,
Like I said,
might be only on the
the
weekends.
benefit to you right now is that it's really early and that they haven't even opened yet. So if we're able
how
to,
long does it take?
what, this whole process, me doing the paperwork and stuff and getting you into the jail? Well, since we do have to wait for whoever you called to come and watch the kids, hopefully if I can knock out the paperwork and there's no line at the jail, it's probably going to take us, what, maybe 10:30. Like I said, I'll try and do my best. I don't want to be in the jail as much as you do.
How much it was at Target?
What do you mean?
Do you know how much?
It's a misdemeanor charge, so I would just be careful because there are other cases open, okay? You didn't just steal from this Target on this particular day. You also did it multiple other times, Okay, so there may be other charges pending, but right now, I'm investigating a certain case. I have found probable cause to make an arrest for my case. There are other cases right now that are being investigated. I'm just giving you that heads up. So right now, you have a misdemeanor charge with me, but you may have a felony down the road. Just letting you know.
So there's other ones open? Like, what does that mean? If
there may be. I don't know. I'm not saying that you're...
understanding how there may be. I only go to one target.
Well, that's not true. You know, because we have you on security video footage at others. Okay.
What others?
I don't know specifics about other cases. All I know is this case is my case, and like I said, I found probable cause to make an arrest. Okay. Do you have any other questions or comments?
Will I be able to talk to my grandma before she goes?
Yeah, I'll let her talk to you. Any other questions, comments, concerns that I can answer for you? Just trying to be real with you. That's all.
No, but I just need to speak with my grandma.
Okay.
So what happened?
He said it was something at Target, like some stuff had been scanned.
Target or Walmart? Which one?
He said Target.
Well, you better figure it out. I have to call because I had to cancel my doctor's appointment, okay? I'll text you and tell him.
Yes, but don't call anyone else.
I won't.
Wait.
Yeah.
Don't call anyone else. Tell him do not, I'll tell him, but tell him do not call anyone else. That I'm going to call him.
He's not going to pre-K today, right?
Take her.
Oh, no, I'm not going to do that because then I have to get Papa's up. I say up too. Okay, she could cancel today. All right. Love you.
Love you too. Remember what I said?
Bye. Don't worry. I got it. Okay, thank you.
Of course.
This incident screams a hard truth. In the age of TikTok and viral content, clout can backfire, and cute mom content can easily double as a highlight reel for cops. Fame isn't free, it comes with receipts, and in Marina's case, those receipts cost her freedom. Marina Vazee was initially charged with first-degree misdemeanor petty retail theft. After pleading no contest, she was found guilty and sentenced to probation, restitution of $725.32, 20 days in the Lee County Sheriff's Day work program, and $220 in court fees. She later violated probation by bringing a cell phone into the program, leading to a probation violation arrest warrant. She is currently in custody without bond. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you will never miss any episode of our enthralling series. We are looking forward to seeing you next time, so stay curious about next video.